Discuss there are certain useful substances which we prepare from sodium chloride. The first one is sodium hydroxide, which is a base, as well as it is referred as caustic soda. That is a useful household product as well as it has a very useful industrial applications. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, is a crystalline solid, transparent crystalline solid which is formed when we electrolyzed the brine solution. So first we'll discuss what is brine solution. Concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is common salt, is known as brine solution. Concentrated means a very less amount of water in a large amount of salt. That is known as concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride. That is known as brine solution. So caustic soda is prepared by electrolysis of brine solution. What is brine solution? NaCl plus H2O. When electricity is passed through it, then NaOH is produced, that is caustic soda. Two gases are produced, one is at cathode and another one is at anode, hydrogen gas and chlorine gas respectively. So hydrogen gas is produced at cathode and chlorine gas is produced at anode, and NaOH is collected near the anode. So this is what the electrolysis of brine solutions gives us. As the product contains chlorine and a water soluble base, that is an alkali, that is why this process is known as chlor-alkali process. And it's a very, very important question for your board exam. What is chlor-alkali process, or why the formation of caustic soda or sodium hydroxide is referred as chlor-alkali process? So the answer would be when brine solution is electrolyzed. जब हम brine solution की electrolysis करते हैं, it will give rise to the formation of, or it will form chlorine gas and a water soluble base, that is NaOH. That is why this process is known as chlor from chlorine and alkali from water soluble base. Chlor-alkali process. A very important question. Next. Uses. First one is uses of hydrogen. As we are getting three products in this case. The first one is hydrogen, we'll discuss. Hydrogen is used for hydrogenation of vegetable oils. And for the formation of margarine. Margarine is artificial butter. So the liquid vegetable oils are converted into semi-solid form, that is vanaspati ghee, and for that formation we require hydrogen. We add hydrogen in it, and addition of hydrogen is known as hydrogenation. The second is it is used to form ammonia. It is used in the formation of ammonia. And ammonia which further used in the formation of fertilizers in the industries. So this is the use of hydrogen. As well as it is used in the formation of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, which has certain commercial uses. The second one is chlorine gas. It is used as a disinfectant in water. It is used to kill the various microorganisms in water. Chlorine in Hindi is referred as lal dawai. In the water boxes, in the water saver boxes, first we use that chlorine. The tablets of chlorine are used, bache. As chlorine is a good disinfectant, it kills the microorganisms. Next, chlorine gas is used to make chlorofluorocarbons. About which we have studied, bache, that chlorofluorocarbons are depleting ozone layer, but still these chlorofluorocarbons are highly used in certain electrical devices like air conditioners, like refrigerators. So that gas contained which is filled in them is chlorofluorocarbons, which is formed by help of chlorine. In the formation of PVC, polyvinyl chloride. The PVC pipes you must have seen in your life, bache. That PVC pipe is made up of chlorine, polyvinyl chloride. Next, chlorine gas is used in the formation of bleaching powder. That we will study in this chapter, bache. Calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. So chlorine gas is used in the formation of bleaching powder. Next we'll discuss the uses of NaOH. That is the alkali formed in the chloralkali process, that is sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. First uses, it is used in the textile industry. It is used in the formation of paper and glass, as well as it is used in the formation of salt, NaCl, in the laboratories. NaOH plus HCl will form NaCl and water. So these are the uses of caustic soda, hydrogen and chlorine, which is produced during chlor-alkali process. Rather than these uses, bache, NaOH also has certain usefulness. It is used in the degreasing of metals. Degreasing means, bache, the grease which we use to lubricate the metals, if we want to remove that grease, then caustic soda is used. Next, it is used, NaOH is used in the extraction or refining of metals. How it is used and what is the working of it in refining of metals, or you can say extraction of metal, is not the part of your 10th class syllabus, but it is used in the extraction or refining of metals. So these are also certain other uses of NaOH.